Hello everyone. This is a short demonstration of the RDS-32 ITX telemetry capability, which is over 1 mile line of sight. We will also be using an adaptive wireless monitor, or AWM, to receive our telemetry data. We will start by turning on the RDS-32. Remember, each time the RDS-32 starts, it goes through a self-diagnostic routine to verify it is operable. Remember, only the versions with ITX designations have telemetry capability. This can be determined by the fact that they have colored rings around their buttons, and it will say ITX to the top right of the meter. Telemetry can be activated with the CSW software, but today we are going to show you how to set the transmission frequency. This can be done by pressing the center menu button. Scroll down until you get to the Communications section. Press the center button to select and scroll to the worm section. Press select. You can see it was set for a 4-second transmission rate, which is the default, but it can be set between 2 and 60 seconds. For this demonstration, we are going to change it to 2 seconds using the up and down arrows. Press the select button when complete. Now let's go back to the main display to view the dose rate with both the RDS and AWM by pressing the back arrow until you reach the main display. On the AWM, you can see a green light flash each time a transmission is received. Data transmission is based on the RDS serial number. However, in this case, we logged that serial number into the AWM as a specific user, so you don't have to keep up with a list of serial numbers. In this format, you see the user's name and the time since last transmission. That's why it keeps going back to 0. You can also see the user's dose rate and accumulated dose. You can select that cell and make it full screen. If the AWM is connected to telemetry software, you can also read the information on the software. Thank you, and this ends the telemetry demonstration of the RDS-32.